Have you ever been trapped inside your own head? Like no matter how much you try, the thoughts just keep coming. What if I fail? What if they don't love me? Why did that happen to me? Why can't I stop thinking? You try to distract yourself. You scroll through social media, binge watch videos, eat snacks, and even try to sleep it off. But nothing really helps, because the real problem isn't outside of you. It's the voice inside your head. The voice that keeps talking, keeps doubting, keeps reminding you of everything you've done wrong, and everything that could go wrong in the future. And here's the truth, you're not alone. Every single one of us goes through this. Even monks do. But the difference is, they've learned the art of not letting their thoughts control them. And in this video, I'll show you how you can learn that too. Not with complicated psychology, not with fake positivity, but with ancient Buddhist techniques, simple, practical, life-changing methods that actually work. And stay with me till the very end, because I'll also share a rare Zen story that holds the secret to why your thoughts hurt you so much, and what you can do today to finally be free. This story alone could change the way you live your life. Welcome to Wisdom of Sparks, your space for ancient wisdom, modern clarity, and peace of mind. Let me ask you something personal. Have your thoughts ever made you cry? Have they ever whispered things to you that you wouldn't say even to your worst enemy? You're not good enough. You've wasted your life. No one truly cares about you. You're a failure. Where do these thoughts even come from? Are they true? Are they helpful? Or are they just echoes of old fears, childhood wounds, and societal conditioning? Buddhism has a powerful word for this mental suffering. It's called dukkha, the unavoidable pain and discomfort of life. But what's interesting is that Buddha didn't say the problem was pain itself. He said the attachment to our thoughts about the pain is what traps us. There's a Zen proverb that goes, "You cannot stop the waves, but you can learn to surf." That's exactly what this video is about. You can't stop your thoughts from appearing, but you can stop letting them control your emotions, your decisions, your peace. And how do you do that? Today, I'll guide you through 13 powerful, simple, and practical tips, all rooted in Buddhist and Zen teachings, that will help you regain control over your mind, one moment at a time. These are not just concepts. These are tools that monks, seekers, and wise people have used for centuries to stay grounded, present, and peaceful, even in the middle of chaos. And don't worry, you don't have to live in a forest or shave your head to practice them. You can start wherever you are right now. But before we dive into the 13 practical tips, let me tell you a short story that will prepare your heart and open your mind. A monk once came to the Buddha and said, "Lord, my mind is always racing. I feel like a storm is always inside me. I can't focus, I can't sleep. I feel like a prisoner inside my own head. What should I do?" The Buddha smiled and replied calmly, "You are not a prisoner, you are the jailer." The monk was shocked. "What do you mean?" And the Buddha said, "You lock yourself inside the prison of your thoughts. You hold on to every fear, every judgment, every regret as if they are you. But they are not you. Let go of the key and you will be free. Let go of the key and you will be free." Think about that for a second. Could it be that we are the ones keeping ourselves stuck? That our overthinking, our fears, our obsessions, they're just thoughts we choose to believe, feed, and follow. But what if we didn't? What if we simply watched them and let them go? That's what we're here to learn today. And here's what's coming up. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how to create a simple daily practice to slow down your racing mind, how to use your breath to pull you out of negative thought spirals, why labeling your thoughts instantly reduces their power, a shocking truth about the second arrow of suffering, and why monks smile even when life gets tough. But let me be honest with you. Some of what you'll hear in this video will challenge your current beliefs. It will make you question how you've been living. It might even sting a little, but that's a good thing, because behind that discomfort lies the freedom you've been searching for. So take a deep breath, let go of everything for a moment, and stay with me from start to finish, because this might be the most important message you hear this week or even this year. And hey, if you're new here, I invite you to subscribe to Wisdom of Sparks, where we blend ancient Buddhist teachings with real-life tools to help you find peace in a noisy world. Now let's begin your journey to silence, to clarity, to freedom from the prison of thoughts. Let's dive into 13 practical tips to stop your thoughts from controlling you. You ready? Let's begin. Tip 1. Label your thoughts. This is just a thought. Imagine a monk sitting by a river. Every time a thought arises, he watches it like a leaf floating down the stream. He doesn't chase it, he doesn't fight it. He just sees it, names it, and lets it go. This is one of the most effective practices in Buddhist mindfulness. Labeling thoughts. When your mind says, "I'm not good enough," don't argue with it, just say, "thinking." When it says, "they hate me," just say, "judging." Labeling is like putting distance between you and the thought. It tells your brain, this is not reality. This is just a passing cloud. The Buddha said, "You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of them." The more you label, the more you loosen their grip. You're not suppressing, you're not reacting. You're just witnessing, like a calm sky watching storm clouds come and go. Tip 2. Anchor yourself with the breath, the power of anapanasati. In Buddhist meditation, there's a powerful practice called anapanasati, mindfulness of breathing. Your breath is the only thing that is always in the present moment. You can't breathe in the future or in the past, just now. Every time your thoughts start to run wild, pause and take 3 slow, deep breaths. Feel the air entering your nose. Feel your chest rising. Feel the stillness in the pause. This pulls you out of your head and brings you back into your body. Thich Nhat Hanh once said, "Feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor." Practice this daily, even for 5 minutes. Over time, you'll find that the storm of thoughts begins to quiet down. Tip 3. Name the story, break the loop. Let's say every time you make a mistake, a voice in your head says, "You're such a failure." That's not true, that's a story. What story are you believing today? The story that you're not lovable, that you'll never be successful. Name it, call it out. This is the "I'm not good enough" story again. This is the "they'll never understand me" story. When you name the story, you disarm it. You step outside of it. As Buddhist teacher Tara Brach says, when we name the story, we stop living inside it. Every story loses power when it's brought into the light. Tip 4. Observe, don't fight. Let the monkey mind settle. The Buddha once described the human mind as a monkey, swinging from thought to thought, never sitting still. But here's the trick. You don't tame a monkey by shouting at it. You tame it by watching it patiently. When thoughts come, don't fight them. Don't try to push them away. That gives them more power. Just observe. Watch your thoughts like you're watching a child play in the yard. You don't have to join in. You don't have to correct everything. Just see it. The more you observe, the more the mind begins to settle on its own. Tip 5. Practice RAIN, recognize, accept, investigate, nurture. RAIN is a powerful Buddhist tool for dealing with painful thoughts. Recognize what's going on. This is anxiety. Accept it. It's okay that I feel this way. Investigate. Where do I feel it in my body? What triggered it? Nurture. May I be kind to myself in this moment. RAIN turns your pain into a path. Instead of running from your thoughts, you walk with them, gently, patiently, compassionately. This is real transformation. Tip 6. Use mindfulness triggers. Build a habit of awareness. Every time you open a door, take 1 mindful breath. Every time your phone vibrates, pause for 2 seconds. Every time you drink water, say, "Thank you," silently. These are mindfulness triggers. They rewire your brain to live in the present instead of the mind. Soon, your day becomes filled with tiny moments of peace. And over time, those tiny moments become your new way of being. Tip 7. Reduce mental input. Create stillness in your environment. Too much mental stimulation equals sign too many thoughts. Phones, notifications, noise, news, Netflix. Buddhist monks live in simplicity because they understand this truth. A noisy environment creates a noisy mind. Start small. Have a no-phone hour. Turn off non-urgent notifications. Spend 10 minutes a day in silence. The mind thrives in stillness. Give it space to breathe. Tip 8. Meditate daily, even for 5 minutes. You don't need to sit for an hour. Start with just 5 minutes. Find a quiet corner, sit comfortably. Close your eyes, focus on your breath. Thoughts will come, it's okay. Gently return to your breath. This daily discipline builds a muscle. The more you meditate, the more power you gain over your reactions, your emotions, your thoughts. As the Buddha said, meditate, live purely, be quiet, do your work with mastery. Tip 9, journal the mind, empty the cup. Your brain is not a storage unit, it's a processing machine. When thoughts are too many, take a pen and pour them out. Write freely, don't edit, don't judge. After 10 minutes, read it. See how much noise you were carrying and how much lighter you feel. Journaling is like emotional detox. It frees your inner space. Tip 10, chant a mantra, redirect the mind. In Buddhism, mantras are not magic words, they're anchors. Om Mani Padme Hum, this too shall pass. I am here, I am safe, I am enough. Pick one that resonates with your heart. Repeat it silently when your mind begins to spiral. It pulls you back, like a lighthouse in a storm. Tip 11, walk mindfully, meditation in motion. You don't have to sit to be still. Take a walk slowly without your phone. Feel your feet touch the ground. Feel your breath as you move. This is walking meditation. It slows down both your steps and your mind. As Thich Nhat Hanh said, walk as if you are kissing the earth with your feet. Tip 12, let go of control, flow like water. Many of our thoughts are rooted in one illusion, control. We try to control outcomes, control people, control feelings. But Buddhism teaches, let go. Suffering is born from clinging. The lotus doesn't force itself to bloom. The river doesn't fight the rocks. They flow, they trust. Letting go is not giving up. It's choosing peace over force. Tip 13, ask, is this thought useful? Here's a powerful filter. When a thought appears, ask yourself, is this true? Is this helpful? Is this kind? If the answer is no, let it go. Not all thoughts deserve your attention. You have the right to choose what stays in your mind. Like a gardener pulling weeds, protect your inner garden. Zen story, the two arrows. A man is walking through the forest and gets struck by an arrow. It hurts, but instead of pulling it out, he picks up a second arrow and stabs himself again. The first arrow is the pain. The second is the thought, why me? This is unfair, I can't handle this. Buddha said, the second arrow is where most of our suffering comes from. Life may hit you with pain, but it's your thoughts that add suffering. What if you stopped firing the second arrow? Conclusion, becoming the master of your mind. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. Thoughts are clouds, you are the sky. Thoughts are waves, you are the ocean. At any moment, you can choose to step back, to breathe, to observe, to smile. And slowly, gently, day by day, you take back your power. From chaos to clarity, from noise to stillness. This is the path, this is the practice. This is the way of wisdom of sparks. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment below which tip will you try first. Your journey begins now.